landed there.
It's so low. Yes. Can we go over there?
No, honey. If it's Mercy Flight, it's bad. I thought Mercy Flight was landing in our yard, but they just landed in AJ's.
Why not our yard?
Really?
Yeah,
Why not our yard?
it must be bad. No, up the road here at, I think,
I
Uncle
have
Don's
no
house,
shoes.
old house,
Grandma, I have no shoes.
because there's still lights going on up there, but the fire truck,
I have no
EMS is
shoes.
in AJ's driveway.
Grandma, look at I have no
I pointed to them they could land in our front yard, but they went to AJ's. But I see that's where the fire truck thing is right now.
Gotcha.
But I don't think it's at AJ's because there's still all kinds of lights. And I think it's Tops up the road here. I think whatever they were lighting off, I think somebody
Oh, they're
got
stopping
hurt
it
is
now.
my guess.
Oh,
But
it's probably the house behind them.
yeah, but why wouldn't they have gone down the driveway?
Mom?
I don't know.
Yes,
Is that Mom?
it is. At first I thought it was
Okay.
I tried calling Aunt Dawn right back.
Are you going
Yeah,
across the
Mom.
road?
No, we're not going across the road.
Because I have no shoes.
Okay.
Oh,
All right.
Love
Okay. Yep. Love you too. See if you see anything online.
yeah, I will.
Bye.
Who now? Who are you calling?
No. Oh, first I thought they were going.
Grandma?
to our yard and-
Grandma, I'm gonna go. Grandma, I'm gonna go get some shoes quick. Don't really care if I do or not.
Well, you can come to my house if you do.
You can,
This time you ever seen a helicopter like that?
no, not like landed. It's not landed. Guys, I don't know what's happening, but this is going to probably blow up on YouTube. If I put this on
Tell her to
YouTube,
get out of the road.
okay, whatever. This is gonna blow up on YouTube. This is gonna blow up on YouTube. This is gonna blow up on YouTube if I film it.
Yep. So now the ambulance is coming out of. It looks like it still looks like the Uncle Don's driveway. The ambulance is coming out and coming down to AJ now. But it come out of the other one's driveway. Okay. All right. Yep. Bye.
Ah! What happened to my phone? Everything's bright. All of a sudden. Oh. 'Cause